If you're interested in hiding from the predator or from drones with thermal detection, then this blanket is going to be for you. Today we're putting together this Beez Combat Systems Predator Ghillie Spectralflage camo blanket. That's a whole lot of mouthful, so we're just going to call it the Predator blanket going forward. Full disclaimer here though. Predator does not directly endorse this blanket. However, with that said, I do love Predator and I do love the idea of hiding from drones with thermal detection. So I had to get this blanket. There has been a lot of feedback though and questions about how the assembly goes. So we're going to go over that 3-step assembly process right now for you. To start the assembly, you're going to need a large area to lay the blanket out on. Like a large table or even an open floor space will work great. I just put mine together on the living room floor. The base layer mesh blanket measures 56 inches wide and 94 inches long. Looking at the edges of the blanket, you'll see everything is laser cut, and the edges of the base mesh look like plant leaves. The laser cutting significantly helps prevent fraying of the material on the edges. So you're going to install 3 layers on top of your base mesh layer. You'll see when you open the package, you'll have 3 layers of what are called dreads, or strips of material that have to be woven into the blanket. Starting with your first layer of dreads, you need your layer 2 dreads from the package, which are a total of 10 strips of material going through 2-inch laser cut slits that are already on your mesh layer. Laying out and pre-positioning the 10 dreads may be helpful. You will also want to pull up all the 2-inch slits in advance so you can see exactly where the material will be going. 5 dreads for the top portion of the blanket and 5 dreads for the bottom. Weaving of the dreads may be easier if done by starting from the middle of each dread and working your way out instead of having to weave the entire dread through each slit. After all 10 dreads are installed is when you will want to finally tie off each end, right after you adjust each dread for excess slack. Now your first layer of dreads is complete. Your next layer of dreads is labeled layer 3 dreads in the package, which is a total of 5 dreads that will go through 3-inch laser cut holes in your base mesh layer. These 5 dreads will cross over the layer that you just finished. These dreads are also cut different than the first layer, so it's easy to tell the difference during install. Make sure you do the same and pull up the laser cut slits in advance so you know exactly where you're weaving the dreads through. Your final layer of dreads consists of 24 pieces of material. These will be the only non-mesh material that you will be using on your blanket. After your final dread layer is complete, your blanket will look something like this. My chosen camo color is ATAX IX, but the Beez Combat Systems also has a wide variety of camo colors, and this is what the blanket looks like when it's folded up sitting next to a helmet. So I did also get the Beez Combat Systems helmet camo cover. For reference, this is a Team Windy high cut helmet, and I used paracord to secure the Predator Ghillie cover onto the helmet. And if you're interested in other videos on how to protect yourself from Predator, check out this popular perimeter defense video right here.